What you'll need is 1/2 of a cabbage, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, 1 clove of garlic pressed, roughly 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, depends on how much you like sesame oil, and finally some fine salt and some pepper. Let's take the cabbage and cut it into cubes. Make sure not to cut it too fine. Put everything in a large bowl and pinch all of the layers apart. Once that's done, fill your bowl with water and give your cabbage a real thorough wash. In the meanwhile, we're going to crush our sesame seeds. If you have a mortar, just use that. Because I don't have one, I'm going to do it this way. Take a baking sheet, put in the sesame seeds, fold it over, take a rolling pin and just roll. There we go, that's pretty good for me. Take your cabbage and season it with some salt. It can be quite generous amount. Then some pepper. Add in your crushed sesame seeds, the garlic, and of course the sesame seed oil. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons because the amount of cabbage turned out a little bit larger than I expected. Now take your hand, preferably in a glove, and just massage all of the cabbage till everything has been mixed. Again, the quantities are more personal preference. If you really like garlic or sesame seed oil, you can always add more. I ended up adding 1 more teaspoon of sesame seed oil and 2 more cloves of garlic. So as you can see, you always have to tweak the recipe a little bit depending on the size of your cabbage. That is the beauty of this recipe. You can tweak it to your own preference. That's it.